One of Tommy's #1 priority for boaters on the water is ensuring that they're being safe boaters, responsible boaters, and respectful boaters. So the WSIA, the Water Sports Industry Association, has a set of rules that are out. So #1, keeping 200 feet from other boats, structures, docks, and shorelines. #2, keeping music at a respectful level. If it's too loud for me to hear my fellow passengers in the boat, then it's too loud for the rest of the lake. Remember, sound carries over water, so keep it at a responsible and respectful level. You're also going to want to minimize repetitive passes along the same shoreline. So these boats do throw a good sized wake, so we want to make sure that that wake isn't constantly lapping up on the beach in the same stretch of shoreline. A few other safety guidelines, just general boating rules. We're going to want to stay to the right with oncoming traffic. So that means keeping oncoming boats to your left when making a pass. You're also going to want to make sure that you are giving way to non-motorized vessels. So this is canoes, kayaks, sailboats, making sure that they have the right of way. Remember, they're less mobile because they don't have an engine. Another thing that we're going to want to be mindful of is no wake signs, no wake buoys. These are important and they're placed out in different bodies of water to ensure that different areas are safe and secure and boaters are being responsible.